Philip, what challenges do families face when preserving and managing family photos? And I think particularly with the older generation's photos.
Yeah. When you are inheriting things from your parents and your grandparents and their collection, the biggest challenge is that you get overwhelmed with the amount. So you've got that overwhelm with so many. And then the other thing is just that challenge of the detective work of trying to figure out what's in there, who's in there, how does this relate to me? And then doing something with it as actually telling your family story. It would be much nicer if the sixth generation, 100 years from now, had 5 photo books that told the story of each generation in that previous 100 years, because in 100 years from now, they'll have 500,000 to 1 million images scattered, not just albums and boxes, but across phones, computers, hard drives.
Sure.
It'll be a chaos. And they won't do anything with it.
No, it'll just sit in the cloud or whatever it is in 50, 100 years, right?
Right.
It'll probably be something completely different. But yeah, this overwhelm of photos and videos, right? Not just photos, but and videos of, okay, what are we going to do with these things?
Well, and that's the other challenge is that technology changes. So your grandparents most likely had slides, possibly 8mm movies. Do you still have a movie projector?
No.
Then your parents had VHS tapes.
Right.
Do you still have a player?
Right.
So
no.
The technology changes. And so how we view things, how things are captured, how we view them are changing. And so that's another challenge that people face. Bringing that older technology, that older analog into the digital age. But on the other hand, everyone thinks, oh, well, we'll do it all digital and we'll put it in the cloud. You'll never see it. You'll never look at it. Digital is actually more ephemeral than a printed photo. A printed photo will last 100 years with benign neglect. A digital image will die from mechanical failure on your hard drive or accidental deletion or by the service going out of business, or you hit the delete key on your computer by accident.
Right. And it's gone. Yeah.
And then it really is gone.